clear?
Yes, you are
Yes, you
clear.
are clear.
You are
You
sorry
are
for what?
sorry for what? Okay.
How
Okay. How
everybody
everybody saw.
just
If you want to POI, just admit yourself. Start my speech in 3, 2, and so, ladies and gentlemen, our motion today is this: how allow students to vote out teachers. But, ladies and gentlemen, before I jump on my argument, I'll do some rebuttals to the area. So, the opposition side of the house say that uh, there are will be uh, teacher struggle, the teacher struggle behind all of their teaching system and etc. But notice that, ladies and gentlemen, it is the teacher responsibility to give a comfort or a high quality way of teaching their own for their our student for their own students. If the teacher really struggle to give a high quality teaching students, so it will see in the result, be exist in the result. The students will see through the teaching in the class. If the teacher is supportive enough or great enough the teaching itself, the students will highly see that and appreciate them for the teaching itself. So the students will not likely to vote them to be like for example, when you have a favorite teacher that their teaching skills is so great, you are understand, etc. Likely not want to their them. So that is why not, it's not the exclusive things that we should talk about. And they also talk about how students can be influence each other to make decisions. At the end of the day, opposition side of this is for on how actually teacher is having power, are the one that manage the school, and how this kind of are going to, because notice that that students is having no power, is having no power in the status quo, because the teacher thinks that they are handling the class, they are leading the class, they are having the authority in, and the students have no power. So in this kind of things, thought out, it will give the right to the students to speak up their opinions, to be appreciated for their opinions itself. So the students and the education system will get the feedback from the education system itself. It will have the feedback from the students, how the system are going, how the teachers are teaching them. Is it enough to satisfy, or is it enough to fulfill their needs or not? And ladies and gentlemen, notice what our classes here. Our classes here are team will get to the sustainability and satisfaction of the education result itself will win this debate. Notice that in status quo now, there are a dissatisfaction in the education result. Dissatisfaction is based on the narratives that there are a lot of teacher that being authoritarian in the class and do what they want in the class, have a lot of power in the class, with being authoritarian kind of, which is it leads to the problem that there are some cases that teachers do some, like let's say, like violence, or maybe assaulting the students itself. So it will be an excessive problem in this status quo to be resolved by this fought out teacher. Why? Because when the fought out itself exists, this kind of problem, this kind of authoritative things will give will last in our side of the house. Why? Because the students will have the power to speak up their opinions, will have like let's say for example when the students is become the victim of the teacher, when they are assaulting them, when the teacher is assaulting them, and the students will have the right to speak up their opinion, have the right to have the critical think to think that it is a wrong thing. Because when the fought out teacher is exists, the students will think there will all be a mechanism in the school itself. The students will think that it is the right thing to speak up your opinion about your teacher. It is a good thing. It is a normal thing to speak opinion about even if the teacher is do harmful act. They can their opinion. So the teachers can have the less authority in the class itself. So there will be a check and balance in the class itself. And and mechanism is the first one is there will be the student based learning. So the opinion of the student will be appreciated. They will be learned how to be critical. So their opinion can be here. So at the end of the day, they can have the objective way of thinking. So government side of the house do have to like worried about how the students will object on this kind of thought out. And the second one, provide thought. We will provide thought. We will carry out evaluations. We will provide guidance for teachers who are proven guilty or not professional carrying out their duties in future. So we are just supporting the rights of the students, but also improving the teacher to make sustainability the education system itself. And so let's come to my argument. What will be in a world where fallout exists? So the first one is it will be sustainability of the education resource. When this fallout exists, notice that, ladies and gentlemen, the students will have the right to give the feedback itself to the education system that they are experiencing. They will have the power to to think that is it the right thing to do as a teacher, or is it or not the right thing to do as a teacher. So I think they can have a critical to know what what their right in the class, so they can have the power to become speak up, to become to have the opinion to be appreciated by people itself, not just by the same students, but also by teachers by the teachers itself. And also when they are when the students are becoming a victim, for example, they can have the power, they can have the confidence to come up to the public and say that oh, this teachers is violating me, and etc and etc. This teachers is harmful, etc. So they can they can give their opinion about they can give their experiencing about their teacher confidently without even without have the effect in their heart. And the students that hear that will be like, oh, we will like choose that teacher to be kicked out in this class, and there will just and at the end of the day there will just be a high quality teacher in the in the system of education itself. Why? Because when the teachers that do violence or etc. Or unprofessional kick out in the class, there will be just there will be just a professional teacher that teaching in the class. There will be just a great teacher that teaching you that give the sustainability and give satisfaction for the students itself, and it impact to the satisfaction to the schools and the parents itself. So it will give sustainability. It will the continuous system for the education system itself. And even if there are a bias, it's great in our side of the house. Why? Because will be will be biased based on how the teaching. So they just will bias for the really how the teacher is how the teacher is act. If the teacher is having a high quality teacher, so it will give students like so it will give the students to think of oh, this teachers is great. Oh, I don't want to be losing them. I don't want to be losing this teacher. So it will give it will still give things, a great things in our side of the house. If the teacher it will give the sustainability what and with this kind of thing, it will give sustainability with the just quality teachers on our side. Because the unfunctional teacher will kick out of the class will be and will be carrying out their leading with the hat or the government. So that's all